Everything you thought you knew about the power of machines is about to be challenged. You'll see devices so amazing they seem straight out of a science fiction movie. Get ready to enter a universe where no limit can stand. Here are 20 industrial machines that know neither failure nor obstacle, and above all, nothing can stop them. The Hurricane TRX. The Hurricane TRX, powered by a 250 horsepower John Deere engine, transforms this labor-intensive process into a true spectacle. Armed with the ability to grind stumps at any angle over 360 degrees, it leaves nothing but clean space behind. It can even be used in residential areas or in your garden. In just a few minutes, this super powerful machine eliminates obstacles that would have required hours of manual labor. The Telco SK135 SRD excavator. Rejoice at the arrival of technology that backs down from no challenge. The Selco SK135 SRD is not simply an excavator. It's a true star of automotive recycling. With its operating weight of 135 tons and powerful manipulator, this unit dismantles vehicles into pieces like a meticulous restorer in his workshop. Plastic parts, metal frames, and even rusty engines, nothing resists its devastating power. If your junkyard is overflowing with scrap metal, the SK135 SRD will gladly take on the work, giving your used metal a last chance to serve the circular economy. Its surgical precision allows for efficient separation of different materials, maximizing recovery value and minimizing waste destined for landfills. The Cat D11 Dozer. Discover your new solution for heavy material handling. Cat D11 Dozer. This exceptional front loader easily handles lifting loads of up to 20 tons of marble, offering a perfect balance between operational efficiency and maximum safety. Its robust design, combined with precision controls, allows operators to manipulate precious materials with absolute confidence, even in the most demanding environments. Every component of this machine has been meticulously designed to maximize productivity while minimizing operator fatigue, establishing a new benchmark in the heavy load handling industry. The Fractum 100 hydraulic hammer. Faced with the most stubborn rock, the Fractum 100 backs down from nothing. Mounted on a Volvo 380 excavator, this demolition hammer represents a radical change in our approach to controlled destruction. Unlike conventional drills that attempt to penetrate matter, the Fractum uses a fundamentally different principle. It merely brushes the surface. A simple solid metal rod, raised then released, applies a force so concentrated that the rock cannot absorb it. It literally disintegrates under the impact. What makes this system revolutionary is its absolute mobility. Gone are the days when huge boulders had to be transported to a crushing site. The excavator equipped with the Fractum 100 moves directly to each obstacle, reducing it to dust on the spot. The Caterpillar Cat 994 Front Loader. When talking about true mechanical giants, the Cat 994 immediately enters the legend. Designed to collaborate with dump trucks capable of carrying 150, 200, or even 250 tons, this steel monster makes no compromises. Its empty weight of 239 tons makes it one of the most imposing loaders ever created. Under its hood roars a turbocharged Cat 3 516E diesel engine delivering 1,847 gross horsepower, enough to power a small town. But what impresses more than its raw strength is the meticulous attention to operational efficiency. The advanced design of its triple air filter considerably extends the engine's lifespan, while oil change intervals have been extended to 500 operating hours. Even the lighting has been redesigned, exclusively using LEDs to reduce energy consumption and increase durability. the Merapete RT400MG. When precision meets power, the Merapete RT400MG comes into play. This engineering marvel transforms terrain profiling into an art of precision. After the Mara Crusher has eliminated all unwanted vegetation, this auger leveler takes over to perfectly shape the terrain. Mounted on a 3-point hitch and typically coupled with a standard agricultural tractor, it excels in field preparation, even in wet conditions. What truly distinguishes this machine is its seasonal versatility. Auger digging machines have proven particularly effective for ditch arrangement, even when the soil is partially frozen. Equipped with profiling cutters to eliminate raised ditch edges and preparatory cutters to cut stumps and stubs of peat brush, this machine transforms days of manual work into hours of precise operation. Using the profiler 4 to 5 times during the summer season saves considerable time during autumn soil preparation. The Mancinen 120 Dual Power. Sweden marks a decisive turning point in the heavy industry with the Mancinen 120 Dual Power. Manufactured at the Orenhul factory, this dual power concept represents a world first, ingeniously combining the advantages of 2 distinct energy sources. When Engberg became the first customer to receive this revolutionary track unit, no one could predict the impact it would have on industrial productivity. Faced with growing demand, factories had to double their production rate, requiring considerable logistical reorganization. The results speak for themselves. By combining reduced emissions and significantly lower operating costs, this machine offers the perfect alliance between ecology and economy. In just 1 week of use, a company was able to lift the equivalent of 23,000 tons of materials, mainly thanks to its electric motor, achieving an impressive average productivity of 435 tons per hour. The XCMG 88,000 crane. Imagine a machine so imposing that it redefines our very conception of brute force. The XCMG is not simply a crawler crane. It's a monument to human engineering. Capable of lifting titanic loads reaching 4,000 tons, this metal colossus reigns supreme on the most ambitious construction sites of our era. With a maximum lifting height of 217 meters and a working radius extending up to 101 meters, this Chinese marvel transforms the installation of oil platforms and the erection of colossal bridges into almost routine tasks. The engineers who designed this mechanical beast have redefined our very understanding of what is heavy. The RTG MPZ 770 Piling Press. In the construction universe, some innovations silently change the game. The RTG MPZ 770 sheet piling press represents one of these discrete but revolutionary advances. Operating at pressures of up to 200 bars, this technological marvel can be entirely controlled remotely, allowing the operator to supervise all functions of the peeling device from a secure position. What truly distinguishes this machine is its unique ability to simultaneously erect 4 sheet pile walls without resorting to any auxiliary equipment. Adaptable to virtually all soil conditions, it particularly excels in areas where vibrations are prohibited, such as in the immediate vicinity of fragile buildings or sensitive power lines. This ability to work without generating disruptive vibrations opens new possibilities for urban construction sites and heritage sites, where the preservation of existing structures is paramount. The eccentric XR22 hydraulic ripper. In a world where every parcel of land conceals unknown treasures, the eccentric XR22 makes its entrance as a master destroyer, overturning our traditional conceptions of power and efficiency. Born in the laboratories of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of technological revolution. Its patented impact technology offers a radically new approach to soil work. Thanks to an innovative energy storage system, it transforms even the most resistant rock formations into simple rubble, paving the way for quarries, tunnels, and new constructions. Its controlled but devastating impact allows access to resources once considered inaccessible, considerably reducing the time and costs of the most ambitious excavation projects. The Vermeer TR-626 trommel screen. At the heart of our global quest for a more sustainable future, the Vermeer TR-626 trommel screen stands out as a champion of modern recycling. This impressive machine literally transforms mountains of waste into usable materials in minutes. Equipped with an advanced sorting mechanism, the TR-626 ensures rapid and precise filtration of various materials, from ordinary soil to the most complex construction debris. Designed with constant concern for sustainability and performance, it offers exceptional productivity and reliability, establishing itself as essential equipment for environmentally responsible recycling. Its ability to efficiently separate different fractions of materials allows the reintroduction into the economic cycle of resources that would otherwise have been destined for landfill. The Liebherr MK88 4.1 crane. Facing the growing challenges of urban construction, where every square centimeter counts, the Liebherr MK88 emerges as the perfect solution. Nicknamed the taxi crane for its remarkable mobility, it moves quickly from one site to another, bringing considerable lifting power where other machines cannot access. With a lifting capacity of up to 8 tons and an impressive maximum reach of 45 meters, this crane can lift loads weighing up to 2.2 tons at maximum distance. This unique combination of mobility and power makes it the ideal choice for urban projects where space is limited and where every maneuver must be calculated with precision. Its innovative design allows rapid deployments in narrow streets and confined spaces, revolutionizing how we approach construction logistics in dense urban environments. The XCMG autonomous dump truck. Chinese company XCMG takes a decisive step toward the future of mining with its driverless electric dump truck. This technological marvel can be controlled remotely or operate completely autonomously under the supervision of advanced artificial intelligence. In remote-controlled mode, this mechanical titan uses a complex network of sensors to transmit real-time information to the operator via 5G technology. When it switches to autonomous mode, artificial intelligence takes control, determining the optimal destination and planning the most efficient routes. Powered by a 500-kilowatt battery, this revolutionary vehicle can be recharged traditionally in 8 to 10 hours. Or, more impressively, its battery can be replaced in just 6 minutes, ensuring virtually uninterrupted operation. This innovation represents a paradigm shift in mining operations, reducing risks for human operators while maximizing operational efficiency. The Hadrian X. In the world of residential construction, Hadrian X represents a true technological revolution. Its main function? The automation of bricklaying, executed with precision and speed that defy human imagination. After the materials are placed on its platform, Hadrian X interprets the digital plans and methodically builds each wall by adopting an approach similar to 3D printing. Equipped with ultra-precise laser sensors and driven by sophisticated software, it ensures that each brick is positioned with millimetric accuracy, even taking into account minor variations in the terrain. This revolutionary technology promises to radically transform the construction industry, considerably reducing time and costs, while improving the quality and precision of the work performed. The Van Dam Drain Nareen. The installation of underground drainage systems becomes remarkably simple with the Van Dam Drain Nareen. This specialized machine is designed to efficiently and precisely bury pipes, creating perfectly leveled drainage channels in a single fluid operation. The process is of impressive technical elegance. First, its cutting blade precisely incises the soil. Then, the pipe is automatically positioned at the programmed depth. Finally, the trench is immediately backfilled, leaving behind a perfectly functional drainage system. This integrated approach virtually eliminates any manual effort and considerably reduces installation time, allowing areas to be treated in hours that would once have required days of intense work. The Dexterity Grapple Vive RS 200. Maximize vehicle dismantling efficiency with the Power Hand VRS 200. This versatile machine combines a grapple of exceptional dexterity with integrated scissors and an innovative clamp equipped with clamping feet that not only open and close to manipulate engines and gearboxes, but can also lift and lower to safely grip bodies during processing. The Power Hand VRS represents the perfect alliance between raw power and precise maneuverability. Adapted for installation on most machines with a payload capacity of 20 to 25 tons, its pincer-type grapple offers a continuous line of sight to the operator, allowing extraction of precious materials like copper wire harnesses, even from the most inaccessible places. Powered by powerful hydraulic cylinders and equipped with a high-torque rotation mechanism, the VRS has the ability to easily cut any vehicle, transforming automotive recycling into an efficient and profitable process. The Liebherr Crawler Cranes. During the 2015 customer days at the Liebherr factory in Ehingen, Germany, an impressive arsenal of new crawler cranes captivated professionals' attention. Among the event's stars were the LR 11350, LTR 1060, LR 16002, and LTR 1220 models, true titans in their respective categories. These machines represent the excellence of German engineering, capable of performing the most complex and ambitious lifting works. For example, the LR 11350, one of the most powerful cranes in the world, can lift titanic loads reaching 1,350 tons. From the compact but powerful LTR 1060, designed to operate in restricted environments, to the LR 16002, specially optimized for heavy loads in the wind industry, each model demonstrates the innovative technology and technical excellence characteristic of Liebherr. The Chemrock EX60 HD Planer. Meet the Chemrock EX60 HD, a true artist among planers, transforming your ordinary excavator into a sculptor of microscopic precision. This master doesn't just mill, it creates true works of art on asphalt and concrete, with enough power to make Michelangelo himself jealous. Capable of leaving surfaces smooth as glass, this technological baby, with its 60-centimeter milling width, transforms an old bumpy road into a true boulevard, or strips old wall coverings in record time. Its exceptional precision allows contour and finishing work that even the most experienced operators once considered impossible to achieve mechanically. The GCM 2500 SM Surface Miner. Imagine a machine that transforms solid rock into sand with such efficiency that even the most meticulous geologist would be left speechless. The GCM 2500 Surface Miner slices through the ground like a giant magic knife, redefining our expectations for mining extraction. With its powerful engine and advanced control systems, it handles the most arduous excavation tasks with ease. This miner, with an impressive width of 25 meters, can process up to 3,000 tons of materials per hour, virtually pulverizing any rock formation into easily transportable fragments. This revolutionary technology eliminates the need for traditional drilling and blasting, considerably reducing environmental impact while increasing the safety and productivity of mining operations. The Morbark 23X Chip Harvester. When it comes to forest management, the 23X Chip Harvester model from Bark becomes your indispensable personal assistant. Powered by a super powerful 150 horsepower engine, it tackles large branches and the most stubborn woody debris, transforming them into fine chips faster than you can say forestry. Its razor-sharp blades, associated with a state-of-the-art high-performance feeding system, ensure that no piece of wood is left intact. This formidable machine transforms what was once considered forest waste into valuable resources for mulching, biofuel production, or the manufacture of composite panels. Its ability to quickly process large volumes of woody material makes it a precious ally in the fight against forest fires, allowing for the efficient creation of fire breaks and reducing the fuel load in risk areas. As we reach the end of our exploration of modern industrial titans, we can only marvel at the human ingenuity that continues to push the limits of what's possible. These revolutionary machines don't just transform our physical environment, they redefine our very conception of what is achievable.